When you need the best condenser fan motor, HeatMaster from Century, a Regal brand, fills the bill.
Describe the features and benefits of the HeatMaster condenser fan motor. Explain HeatMaster's NEMA insulation class advantage. Identify ideal applications for the HeatMaster condenser fan motor. And list 5 installation tips for the HeatMaster.
The HeatMaster motor has been designed for the most difficult applications Mother Nature can dish out. If you've been experiencing thermal overload trips or problems from over or under voltage conditions, HeatMaster may be the answer.
This motor is Class F insulation, meaning that it is 70 degrees centigrade ambient design. The typical condenser fan motor has a Class A or B rating, usually 40 or 60 degrees, so the HeatMaster is a giant step up. The 70-degree rating, Class F insulation, means high-temperature windings, high-temperature leads, and high-temperature grease in the bearings, all of which extend motor life. The advanced insulation class allows us to offer an extended warranty. Standard warranties cover 2 years from the date of manufacture or 1 year from the date of installation. HeatMaster offers a 3-year warranty from the date of manufacture or a 2-year warranty from date of installation. The torque curve is 50% higher than standard. This allows for cooler startup conditions, reducing the number of service recalls for nuisance tripping. The HeatMaster motor has a number of mechanical features, including totally enclosed motors with sealed, permanently lubricated bearings. This saves maintenance cost, as no relubrication is required. All motors are drilled and tapped for the ream mounting and include the screws. A.O. Smith has included the mounting nuts as well. The wiring diagram on the nameplate attached to the body of the motor may be covered after the motor is installed, making it illegible. HeatMaster motors have an additional wiring diagram on the neutral lead, allowing it to be easily identified in any mounting application. HeatMaster motors are available in the common voltages for residential and light commercial applications. They are also available in fan canopy models. Note the larger water slinger on the shaft. This is standard on the HeatMaster motor. Our popular 4-in-1 motor is also available in the HeatMaster series. This gives you the versatility of a multiple horsepower motor with all of the HeatMaster features. And the motor is available in both the 825 and 1075 RPM versions. This is really the best truck stock motor you can buy. The HeatMaster's insulation class rating is what really makes the HeatMaster motor special. Most condenser fan motors are offered in only Class A or Class B ratings. HeatMaster offers the advantage of a 70-degree rating, which means fewer trips on high thermal overload and therefore fewer contractor callbacks. This makes the HeatMaster ideal for high ambient rooftop applications where temperatures in the summer can soar. In the old days, the motor was mounted on the cool side of the coil, but in today's modern high-efficiency designs, the motor is mounted on the hot side of the coil. So if it's a hot summer day and the surrounding air is over 100 degrees, that hot air is drawn by the fan over the coils. As the air moves over the coils, it gains heat, sometimes as much as 30 degrees. This heated air then passes over the condenser fan motor. In this situation, the motor can easily reach temperatures of 140 degrees. The old Class A and B motors just won't cut it. With this level of heat, they reach the limit of the overload in the motor, and the overload opens, just like a circuit breaker would. The motor then cycles, or switches on and off. This is a common problem for the Class A and B motors, which cannot handle the higher heat of today's units. Fortunately, HeatMaster helps eliminate these nuisance trips. It is specifically designed to run in these types of environments.
When you are replacing an old motor with a HeatMaster motor, Follow the normal installation steps and keep the following points in mind during installation. Be sure to match the horsepower based on full load amps, plus or minus 10%. Also, check the condenser blade for balance and dents or cracks. Replace the blade if necessary. You'll also need to remove the appropriate drain plug. Removing the plug allows moisture to escape and increases the life of the motor. For additional information about installation, see Bulletin 6025A and consult the Motor Replacement Module Training. Remember, safety first. Always follow all of the safeguards for motor installation. Motors should only be installed by qualified technicians. HeatMaster is an ideal replacement in residences, small offices, apartments or condominiums, and light commercial applications. The Century HeatMaster series has a motor that will fit virtually all of your common single-phase condenser motor applications.
Benefits of the new HeatMaster design include reduced callbacks from nuisance tripping, a premium motor that you know is your best solution for the application, and ultra-high torque with up to 50% more horsepower for high-pitch blades, all wrapped up in an easy-to-install package with all the hardware you need right in the box. The HeatMaster is a great upgrade to any condenser fan motor replacement in all environments. Describe the features and benefits of the HeatMaster condenser fan motor. Explain HeatMaster's NEMA insulation class advantage. Identify ideal applications for the HeatMaster condenser fan motor. And list 5 installation tips for the HeatMaster.